Hey traders, welcome to the Profitable Traders. I've been off for 2 weeks. I haven't uploaded nothing. I was taken by some other commitments, but we are back now to making profits. I'm making you guys become profitable. What you see on the chart here is a winning trade on Pound New Zealand. I took this trade yesterday on the 4th of March 2021, and as you can see, my trade is already being filled. And the strategy, the entries, and everything that I've used on this trade is what I'm going to discuss in this video. And if you want to know how I took this trade and how I take similar trades like this, would you smash the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that you'll be alerted whenever we upload new videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. What you see here is the analysis that I made yesterday, and I saw this trade as an opportunity. I went in, I took a trade, and it was a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and within 1 day, within 24 hours, my trade was filled. To show you the proof, I took a screenshot when I took this trade. I think it was a buy limit order. And before I do that, let me first go to a higher time frame where I made that analysis. On a higher time frame, which is a daily time frame for this example, we have this market which has tested this level of support for a very long period of time. This level of structure has been tested multiple times. As you can see here, it was tested here as support and respected, tested here as support, which is a double bottom here, and it pushed the market to up here, and it was tested here as support, tested here as support, but it didn't have a strong push up. Then what happened? It broke below this level of structure, and this level of structure now turned into resistance at this level, and it was tested here as resistance, tested here as resistance, and tested here as resistance with this double top. After that, it broke above this level of structure. We have this fake breakout, and all of a sudden we've seen this market now going up. Now let's go to a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, we see this false breakout clearly that has created the inverted head and shoulders pattern. We have the first shoulder, we have the second shoulder, we have the head. This head here is the false breakout. And what happened? This market came back up here and came here, creating a second shoulder at the same level with the first shoulder. By the time this happened, I didn't look at the market, and fortunately I saw this market when it came all the way up here, and it made a pullback here. At this pullback on a 1-hour time frame, if I had seen the market here with this bullish engulfing candle after this red candle, I would have entered the trade, but that didn't happen. So I wait for the pullback. I put a buy limit order here. The buy limit order was exactly at the close of this bullish engulfing candle. This is where it was, and to my expectation, my trade was filled. 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, 167 pips in profit, guys, in just 1 day. This trade is a combination of structure and simple price action patterns like the head and shoulders pattern. In this case, this was an inverted head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, we have the first shoulder, a pullback, we have the head being created, we have this impulsive leg, a pullback here creating the second shoulder, and at this second shoulder you expect the market to go up. So this is a head and shoulders pattern, the inverted head and shoulders pattern. And also when you come to a higher time frame, which is a daily time frame or weekly time frame, but to me I mostly go to a higher time frame, I've seen this level as a level which has been tested multiple times as support here and as resistance here. And as the market breaks above this level, I just wait for the pullback to this level and enter the trade to the buy side, because this level of structure is a strong level of structure. I just don't expect it to break above it and just break below it without any reaction of this level. So this what happened on this Pound New Zealand. It was a winning trade. It took me around 24 hours for my trade to be filled. 167 pips in profits in just one day. So if you have enjoyed this video, would you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and also like the video guys. Support this channel as I'm always giving you free tutorials. You get your free tutorials, I get the support as subscribers and likes, you know what I'm saying. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you next week in the next video.